With Bitcoin on the cusp of 100K, altcoins are going to pump so hard, make sure to buy some dog-cat token before it goes to the moon. This is the type of nonsense you will hear from crypto influencers in a bull market. Here are 4 reasons why Bitcoin is not the same as disreputable crypto coins. 1. Bitcoin is decentralized. Altcoins are not. The Bitcoin network is controlled by a global, permissionless group of miners and nodes. No single person, company, or government can control it. Many altcoins are highly centralized, with insiders holding outsized power. This centralization is no different from the traditional financial landscape. 2. Bitcoin has an unbeatable first-mover advantage. Bitcoin is the OG digital asset. It is the first cryptocurrency that worked. Bitcoin created the blueprint for peer-to-peer digital money. It has the longest track record, the largest network of users and miners, and unparalleled brand recognition. Altcoins may try to replicate Bitcoin, but they lack the history, infrastructure, and credibility Bitcoin has gained over the last decade. 3. Bitcoin's supply is distributed fairly. Bitcoin's 21 million coin supply cap ensures scarcity, and every Bitcoin in circulation was either mined or purchased at market value. There were no insider allocations or pre-mined coins, unlike many altcoins that distribute large amounts to founders or early investors, creating inherent inequalities and conflicts of interest. 4. Bitcoin is secure and resilient. Bitcoin's proof-of-work mechanism makes its blockchain the most secure in the world. It's backed by an enormous amount of computational energy, which makes attacks on the network economically unfeasible. Altcoins that use alternative mechanisms like proof-of-stake sacrifice security and resilience for convenience. Bitcoin remains the best for good reason. Its first-mover advantage, proof-of-work mechanism, and resistance to compromises in the blockchain trilemma make it the best. In a sea of imitators, Bitcoin stands alone as the apex asset. Bitcoin isn't just the first choice, it's the only logical choice. Understanding this can help you overcome misconceptions and appreciate the strength and genius of the Bitcoin network. To learn more about Bitcoin, visit simplemining.io